Assalamu alaikum students. Today we will learn how to reduce complex numbers into simple form x plus iota y. It means that there will be different kinds of complex numbers, different representations, but we will simplify them and we will write them x plus iota y form. That is, that there will be only one real part and one imaginary part after simplification. Okay, let me consider a few examples. First is, suppose we have a complex number 2 plus 3 iota whole square. So this is not actually in x plus iota y form because it has power on it. So we will use formula to open it, and that formula is a plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So we will apply this formula on this question. So it will be 2 square plus 3 iota square plus 2 into 3 iota. So what we get here, it will be 4 plus 3 square will be 9 and iota square plus 12 iota. Here we know the value of iota square is minus 1. So it will be 4 minus 9 plus 12 iota. So it will be minus 5 plus 12 iota. So now this number is of the form x plus iota y. It does not contain any exponent or something like that. So this is our required result. Okay, let me consider some other examples as well. Suppose I have a question like this. So actually this is the representation of complex number in ordered pair form. First of all, we will see that an ordered pair x comma y, it can be written as x plus iota y. Suppose I have 2 3, that will be written 2 plus 3 iota. We will just remove this comma, and with the imaginary part, that the second part, we will put iota in place. So here we will get under root 2 plus under root 3 iota whole power minus 1. So it can also be written as 1 over under root 2 plus under root 3 iota. So student, if you remember the lecture on division of complex number, it is the same. We are dividing complex number with a number, and this is also complex number. We can write it 1 plus 0 iota. So when we divide complex number, we just multiply it with the conjugate of denominator, and that will be under root 2 minus under root 3 iota divided by under root 2 minus under root 3 iota. So I would again say that if you haven't seen our previous lectures, then you should see them first, so that you may be able to understand these things. These basics are discussed over there. Okay, now this numerator will be multiplied with numerator. It will be under root 2 minus under root 3 iota, and the denominator will be multiplied with denominator. And here we will use the formula a plus b into a minus b, and that will be equals to a squared minus b squared. So we will get the answer under root 2 minus under root 3 iota divided by 2. Here the square root will be cancelled with 3, but iota square will be there, so it would be minus under root 3, or just write 3 iota squared. Now if you see, it will be under root 2 minus under root 3 iota over 2. Iota square is again minus 1, so that will be plus 3. So this will be equals to under root 2 minus under root 3 iota divided by 5. Still it is not in the form of x plus iota y, so we will divide this 5 over there and over there. So it will be under root 5 by under root 2 by 5 minus under root 3 by 5 iota. So this is x plus iota y form. So this is clear. It can be x minus iota 5 form, obviously. Only our aim is just to separate the real and imaginary part. Okay, let me discuss another example. And it is a bit more tricky. Actually, these all of these examples are taken from the textbook of first year Abbottabad board, so you can match it over there. So this will be written as, this is negative exponent. To make it positive, we will write minus 3 minus 2 iota whole power 3. So to open this bracket, we will have to use the formula of a plus b whole cube or a minus b whole cube. So it will be a cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. These are the simple formulas which you have learned in 9th standard, so you must remember them. So using that formula over here, we will get minus 3 cube minus 2 iota cube minus 3 into minus 3 into 2 iota into minus 3 minus 2 iota. So here we will have minus 27, and here it will be minus 8 iota cube, and this will be actually minus minus plus 18 iota into minus 3 minus 2 iota. So it will be minus 27. So if you see iota cube, we can write, or we can break iota cube into iota squared into iota. Again, iota squared, its value is minus 1, so the answer will be minus iota. So instead of iota cube, we can write minus 8 into minus iota. So this will be multiplied inside, so it will be minus 54 iota plus minus minus, that will be 36 iota squared. So in the next step, we'll just do the simplifications. It will be minus 27, and this will be plus 8 iota, this will be minus 54 iota, and this will be plus 36. So these are the real parts and these are the imaginary parts. So we will combine them. This is actually minus 27 plus 36, that will be 9, and here it will be minus 46. Okay, now again this is a complex number divided by 1, so the procedure will be same. You will multiply it with 9 plus 46 iota, and you will divide it 9 plus 46 iota. So I leave it up to here, and the rest is just for the practice, and you should do it by yourself like we did the previous example. That is the same. So it is the end for today. Thank you very much.